Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of car maintenance, tire pressure. Ever wondered why it's important or where to find the correct numbers? Stick around to learn more. Maintaining the right tire pressure isn't just about keeping your tires inflated, it's about safety, performance, and savings. Correct tire pressure ensures optimal handling, steering, and braking on the road. Plus, it boosts fuel efficiency, saving you money at the pump and reducing environmental impact. Not to forget, it also extends the lifespan of your tires, preventing uneven wear and tear that could lead to costly replacements. Now, the big question: where do you find the correct tire pressure for your vehicle? 3 main places: the owner's manual, a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb, or sometimes in the glove compartment. You can also check the manufacturer's website for this essential information. You might have noticed numbers on your tire's sidewall. These indicate the tire's maximum pressure, not the recommended pressure for your car. It's crucial to follow the manufacturer's guidelines rather than the maximum pressure stated on the tire. And that's a wrap on understanding tire pressure. Remember, it's not just about keeping air in your tires, it's about keeping your driving experience safe, efficient, and cost-effective. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable car maintenance tips. Drive safe, everyone!